Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Silent Boba U4T, which is a very solid tactile switch. Now these are also regarded as one of the best silent switches your money can buy, and that is because they do almost everything right. This switch is available in two options, a 62 gram option and a 68 gram option. It is also available in a clear top or a pearl top. I don't really know if that makes a difference or not, but I went for the pearl top because it looks nicer. And I went for the 62 grams instead of 68 grams. So these switches are also 5 pins, so they're not 3 pins. So you have to make sure your keyboard supports 5-pin switches. They have a light factory lube on the leaf and spring, and the stem is made out of palm. So all this comes together to make up the Silent Boba U4T. Now this switch is honestly amazing. I really like everything about it. It is probably my favorite tactile to date. Now if you don't want the silent version, they also offer the Boba U4T, which is the non-silent version of this switch if you didn't really care for it to be silent at all. The reason why I got it silent is because I wanted to use it in a silent build that I can take onto college campus, and it sounds and feels nice at the same time while keeping the volume down to a bare minimum. And this switch does exactly that. It sounds very nice, it feels very nice, and it feels very smooth stock as well. I've heard that it does feel a lot smoother if you lube them yourself, but from my experience, I really like how they feel stock, so I'm just gonna keep them stock. Now the tactile bump is a round bump and it's at the top of the switch. There is no pre-travel for this switch. And what that means is that right when you click the switch, that's where the tactile bump or that tactile feedback is where it's gonna be. Now some people like it at the top, some people like it at the middle, but for me personally, I do like it at the top. So these definitely fit what I was looking for. I will say the tactile bump isn't super harsh like an Amethyst switch from Ash Keeps, but it's still very nice and it's very prominent, unlike Cherry MX Browns. Using this switch, I basically have no complaints with it. I really like everything they've done with this switch, and that is the main reason why you can almost barely find these things in stock. They're always sold out on most websites, but I did find that Swag Keys has the 62 gram in the RGB clear version in stock, the 68 gram in the pearl top, and the 68 gram in the RGB clear top as well. But if you did want the 62 gram pearl top, it is not available on any website that I can find. So I'll be leaving that link in the description below. Here's a sound test so you guys can hear how they sound. Overall, I'm really happy with my purchase, and I think it fits perfectly if you are going for a silent build or if you just want some really nice tactiles. You can't go wrong with these switches, and I think they're probably the best tactiles I've ever used to date. Now, like I said before, I'll be leaving them in the description below if you do choose to buy them, and hopefully you can find them in stock by the time you're watching this video because they do sell out fast. If anything, you can always check Mech Market, but yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.